Yo, I didn't really have anything on the cards today, so I thought fuck it, go for a camping mission and then hit up all the boys, and no one seems to be keen, so I thought fuck it, I'll still just go by myself. So I'm heading to New Chums now, and I'll keep you guys posted. Ciao.
Yeah. Nigga forgot how to get some money. Shut the fuck up.
Fuck this. Yeah. That's sick. Fuck yeah. Yeah, so basically the reason I'm doing shit like this just by myself is that I was having a think the other day, and I was like, fuck man, I used to do so much cool shit when I was like 15, 16, and then when I started getting on the piss and drinking, I like stopped doing all that fun stuff. And so I've never made a New Year's resolution in my life, but this year I was at Rhythm and Vine, so I had a big blowout, and then after that, this year 2024, I'm not drinking at all. So instead of drinking, I'm going to be coming out and doing more shit like this, just with whoever's keen, or with myself if no one's around. Yeah, it's kind of the plan. Just going to be making a bunch new videos. Hopefully, it's kind of my main goal, is to just going to start running at least 3 times a week, and then I want to make a shitload of these videos, and I don't know, just see where it takes me, because I really enjoy doing it. And a lot of times I would be like nearly gonna do one, like get like half a day's footage, but then I just get on the piss, and then it's like no one wants to fucking see that. It's boring. At least I don't want to watch that. I want to make videos that I wouldn't want to watch. Yeah, 2024, no beers, more missions, more videos. Need to try work on doing shit like this, like talking to the camera, because I fucking suck at it. Real camera shy. Yeah, expect more of this, and I'm gonna try do once a fortnight at least for the whole year, but it can be tricky. I've also got this new camera too. I spent a bit of money on that, so it'd be good to get my money's worth. Yeah, sweet. I'll see you when I'm nearly at the campsite. Ciao. I just got a call from Cormac, my best friend, so it's not actually a solo camping mission. There goes the fucking title. But yeah, he's gonna meet me over there like an hour and a half ish, so I got time to set up, go for a swim, kick back, and then make a fire and cook some tea.
Maybe I should kill my inhibition. Maybe I'll be perfect in a new dimension. Maybe I should pray a little harder and work a little smarter.
Alright, bit of a house tour. This is the king size right here. Here's the kitchen. The water tank. Here's the laundry room. And just up here, these are my shelves where I keep all my clothes. It's pretty much all the fucking clothes I own anyways. And there's the view. How good's that? Just did a quick hammock location change. It'll stretch out, don't worry. This one's Cormac. Here's mine. Got the little fire pit. Watch this, one match wonder. Two match wonder. I'm not gonna have enough fucking matches. How's that? So tonight on the menu, we got an avocado, 4 pieces of Vogels, 250 grams of bacon, 6 pork sausages. I forgot the fucking tomato sauce. Ew. Tell me that's not the perfect fucking plate, boy.
Like a victim to distance, I'm wishing that maybe you'll stay. I could tell by your tone we talked that the feelings dissolving. It's like I'm lost in the dark and we ain't got a thing left to say. Baby, just lay it with me, keep your feet out the cold. If I won't see you in my dreams, I won't sleep anymore. Oh, you don't gotta leave in the morning. I'm begging, baby, please don't close the door. I hated that I fought too often. It was my mistake trying to keep you close, trying to take you home. Told me to turn off the light, but don't see you later.
Yeah, boy! Where is that? Oh, it's right there.
Told me you ain't got the time, baby, how could I blame you? And I'm praying this feeling's and not just faded you up.
Oh, you lost.
You don't gotta leave in the morning. I'm begging, baby, please don't close the door. I hated that I fought too often. It was my mistake trying to keep you close.
It's a bit dark. I'll give it
Trying to take you
Fucking knocking about like no one. If it's another car, I. Oh!
You lose it.
Well, I think I know what that was.
What?
Shark. Wait.
Yeah, we're going to bed now. So, but before we, fuck, it's bright. Before we wake up, here's some footage from yesterday, or the other day when I went to Crayfish Bay and did some cliff jumps. So, yeah, see you guys in the morning. Ciao.
Yeah, I planned this season, watch them bloom, get off my dick for G's sake. How my niggas going up, they praying to their knees ache. I'm eating all this chicken soup, I fill my stomach till I can't. We ball you trying to take them threes, we take this shit straight to the paint. We up by 20, come and take it from us. You not gon' take it from us. Ripped to death like guillotine, I know I'm not gon' fumble. Plenty habits I done crushed, I kick that shit off to the rubble. No more petty for me, nigga, we gon' get it off the muscle, you dig? Yeah, you did, yeah. We gon' get it off, yeah. Look, I said they gravitating cause I got a knack. I'm up on their neck till I got me a plaque. We eating it good, I run up a sack. I'm spending this shit cause I'm getting it back. Up off of generosity, I'm lit. Still hit a Ryan and take me a flick. I still need it homegrown. Nigga, I done been working for so long. Gotta kick Brody out tryna prolong my dream. Got my foot on the gas, see the hot beats. Routine with the cheese, I need all the cream. Customized fish, Brody's my sin. Changed my life when I looked at the fine things. All that gloomy shit that we shining. Yeah, look, all that. Yeah.
Good morning. Just woke up. It's like 8 o'clock. I actually slept in. I got like a 10-hour sleep. It was fucking epic. But Cormac's been up for a wee while. He slept with no sleeping bag and no pillow all night. And so he got up earlier than me as expected and got the rod in the water. Let's see if we can catch a fish. Look at that view. Look at that. Good way to wake up, eh?
I could be happy if I died today.
If I go on living, I will try to sing, and all of our old quarrels may swing down soon. They are calling from the rafters, our clarity fluke. But for now, let's make love with the lights. And I won't wonder where.
Ready to roll. Oh, I left my fucking towel underneath.
The pictures of your
camera.
saints hanging crooked from
Classic.
the drywall. The body of the goddess in your thin red shoes. And none need understand all the reasons we have come. But as the days grow shorter, they may have their say. Look me in the eyes before they do.
Yeah, did that right?
Little